Audience, now we move to the number 3, what pronouns this evening. So I have already written the statement. Number 3, the salesman sold blah blah the product. The salesman sold blah blah the product. So when you study English, you have to repeat many times. Yeah. So my students, I ask them to repeat 20 to 30 times the same sentence. 20 to times. So there's the kids. When I teach there sometimes, I go to school. So it becomes like that. So the salesman sold blah blah the product. The choices are here: A, them; B, there; then C, they. So what is your correct answer now? You know, the audience, I give you time so that you can choose the correct answer, yeah? Because we are not after the time. We are after the quality of the discussion. We are not after the number, okay? That's why we don't in hurry to discuss immediately, yeah? Because it's online, maybe we give chance to our brothers and sisters here who wants to answer. Okay, so let us read again. The salesman sold blah blah the product. What is the correct answer? So if you dare here, this is something belongs to what we call
possessive
adjective. Yeah. If this one day belongs to what we call subject pronouns, the subject. So this is the object. This is the subject, and this is the verb. Yeah, this is subject of sentence and followed by the verb. Therefore, should be here object pronouns, not possessive adjective, not subject pronouns. So, therefore, the answer is here them. So, some of you are correct, most of you, and you improve again for M and T. Okay. So the sentence becomes the salesman sold them. Yeah, show them the product. So if you look at here, the verb here, so if you want to know that this sentence, what part of the tense, so you must pay attention to the verb. Here, verb. After the subject, usually that followed by the verb. Yeah. So when you make sentence, you must start with the subject and follow with the verb. So this sentence here belongs to simple past tense. So I read again the form. There is subject, okay, then followed by the verb to, second form of the verb. Okay, that is the simple explanation about this sentence. So this sentence belongs to the past, particularly simple past. How do you know? Look at the verb here. Sometimes they do not put the adverbs like yesterday, last night, but you must pay attention to the verb here. That's why it's very important for you to study the regular and irregular verbs. This one plus ed, therefore the sentence belongs to what we call regular verb. Yeah, because why? The verb added with d and ed. Thank you.